Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming point balances and expirations across programs, because availability depends on which currency you have. Once logged in, link or note frequent flyer numbers so you can check partner inventory faster. Next, set a flexible travel window of at least 3 days on either side. Flexibility multiplies options. Start searching award calendars immediately. Use your primary program first, then compare partner searches. Make sure to record cabin preference and one alternate airport to broaden results. Once you have initial results, hunt partner availability through alliance sites or the carrier's partner search. You need to know who actually releases award seats. Use multi-city or open-jaw searches to reduce points cost, and consider mixed cabin legs if premium space is scarce. Always compare taxes and carrier fees versus points saved, because high fees can negate a deal. If transfers are required, check transfer times and minimums. You do not want to move points that won't post before booking. You finish by securing the award. Either transfer points and complete the online booking, or call the loyalty program to place a hold if available. Confirm passenger names match ID, check baggage rules, and note cancellation or change fees. After booking, monitor email for ticket numbers and reconfirm seats 24-48 hours before departure. If you can't find space, try alternate dates. Call a program agent to request released inventory or set alerts. Persistence often uncovers last-minute awards.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.